In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams, ensuring a seamless and efficient way to organize your entire team or just a small group. First things first, let's head over to Microsoft Teams. Navigating to the application is quite straightforward and serves as the launchpad for our meeting settings. If you're not familiar with how to access Microsoft Teams, you can open it from your desktop if you've downloaded the app, or simply log in via the web by entering the appropriate web address in your browser. It's important that you have your login credentials handy to access all the features. Once you're inside Microsoft Teams, focus your attention on the Meet section. This section is dedicated to managing meetings, whether they are spontaneous or scheduled in advance. You'll notice a convenient option that says Schedule a Meeting. Clicking this takes us to an interface where you can input all the essential details needed for your meeting. This is where you bring your organizational skills into play. Now for the input of those necessary details. The first field you'll encounter is the meeting title. Choosing a descriptive and concise title helps participants immediately understand the purpose of the meeting. Next, you can decide on the date and time. Microsoft Teams gives you the flexibility to adjust the duration to suit your agenda, ranging from a brief 15-minute check-in to a more detailed hour-long session. Beyond the basics of when and what, you'll find fields to specify the participants. Importantly, if people outside of your organization need to join, include their emails, as this will send them an invite directly. Furthermore, there's an option to add a channel under Add Channel. If you're hosting a meeting for a specific team within your organization, selecting the right channel can help streamline communication and automatically update the channel conversation with details of the meeting. This makes it easier for your team to stay informed and reduces the likelihood of someone missing the memo. After the participants and logistics are set, hit the Confirm button to lock everything in. This step makes it official and sends out calendar invites right away. These invites are crucial as they contain all the necessary meeting links, ensuring everyone has what they need to join the session promptly. And with that, you're done. You've successfully set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This process not only helps in planning and organizing within your organization, but also ensures everyone is on the same page when it comes to timing and purpose. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making scheduling in Microsoft Teams a breeze. Remember, efficient meeting management can truly enhance team productivity. Until next time, happy scheduling.